Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cook with David in the Kitchen. Today I want to show you how I made these bite-sized chocolate cakes. Very easy to do, and very simple. And just follow along with me and I'll show you how I did it. You're going to need 4 tablespoons of flour. And you're going to sift it. This makes 4 tablespoons right here. We're going to sift it right here into the cup. You need a small sifter for this. And I'm going to use 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I use dark chocolate because it's healthier for you. Next thing you want to do, you want to sift this. We'll come back in a minute. I got to sift. I need 1 egg. You want 3 tablespoons of milk. You want 3 tablespoons of oil, canola oil, any kind. You want a very tiny whisk, and you want to whisk this all together until it's all combined. Put the batter in all of these. You want to oil them down very good so they don't stick afterwards. Anyways, we'll come back after this is done. What it looks like before it goes in. We'll check it afterwards when it gets done. Boy, take a look at that. I got it done. We're gonna let it cool off. Come back to them in a minute. Boy, they look delicious. Anyways, that's what they are. Doing bite-sized chocolate cakes, and we're gonna do a taste test on this. Look at that. Oh my god, very good. Anyway, I appreciate you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you did subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get all my subscribing.